Record, share my screen, share. Okay, cool. So the next thing I want this also to show in the HTML table. A quick way to do that is just type in HTML table. Just copy the code snippet from here. If you understand how to create a table and you don't feel like doing all the typing, right? Let me just make it, in a nice style, just to make it nice and pretty. In all shows.html, let's give it some style. And then let's create this table. Okay, cool. And then let's get rid of a bunch of these table rows, except for the first table row. That's just going to have our table headers. And what do we need on our table headers here? It looks like we need ID, title, network, release date, and actions. All right, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these: ID, title, network, release date, and actions. So ID, title, what's it? Network, release date, and then actions. Okay. Cool. We have a table here now. Let's get all these objects from the database to for each object, for each show object in this list, I'm gonna want to create a row in the table, right? And our list is in this variable, them shows. Remember, them shows, right? That's where our list is. So I'm gonna create a table row for each one of these. So for, and then when I create a variable after the word for, I need to ask myself, what does each item in the list represent? Oh, it's a show object. Okay, so let's call it for show. Get it? For show object in them shows. And I'm gonna end my for loop. I'm gonna create a table row. I'm gonna create a table row for each show object, right? So I just have it called it show object, right? So let's in a table row, I'm gonna have a bunch of table headers, right? I'm gonna need how many table headers? However many I have. Not table headers. I need table data. My bad. I need a cell in the table, right? How many? I need one of these TDs for each one of these THs. So 1, 2. Oops. I think it's 5. There we go. I think that's good. Cool. There we go. And then do I have? Yeah, I think I have it. Okay, cool. And then the variable that I created, cancel. The variable that I created in the for loop is show obj. So double curly braces, show obj. Let's just see what that looks like. Cool. Yeah, so far so good. So we can do that same. And in here, I need the ID, right? I need the ID. Next one, I need the title, network, release date, and so on. Okay. This one is the title of the show, right? And from a show object, right, I can do dot notation to only the fields, right? This is what I'm doing the dot notation on, okay? Title, network, release date, description. Okay. Cool. We have shown this in the HTML table, and let's finish this off. We don't need this anymore. We just wanted to use this to make sure everything was connected properly. So let's get rid of that array or that query set. Okay, and then in actions, what do we need for actions? It looks like 3 links, right? One link that says show, and then a link that says edit, and a link that says delete. Okay, let's have that there. A:link. And it's gonna say show, and I'm gonna need like 3 of these. Oops. I'm gonna need like 3 of these. 2, 3. And this one's gonna say edit, and this one's gonna say delete. Okay. All right, cool. Here we go. So far what we have is this top left page, that works fine. This bottom right page, that works fine. And this top right page, it works fine except for these links, show, edit, and delete, right? So let's get the link for show to work, okay? So when I click on the show, right, when I click on it, it should take me to a route. If I click on show number 3, it should take me to a route for localhost 8000/shows/3. If I click on show number 2, it should go to localhost 8000/show/ID of the show. So this should go to /show, right? What's the URL? /shows. Okay. And the URLs that I have is what? /shows/ the ID of the show will take me to show the info, right? So /shows/ and remember in HTML variables are double curly braces, remember? HTML is double curly braces, right? /show, and how was I able to get the ID of the show here?
Yes.
Yes.
Right there, right? Show object.id. Okay, cool. Let's see if that works. Refresh it. Now if I click on a show, cool, it takes me to the show information, right? It takes me to this route. If I click on this show, cool, it takes me to information about that show. Cool, we got this part working. Let's get the delete to work first. Let's baby step it. Let's get the delete to work, right? The delete. Let's see what it says about delete. So we actually did a lot of these right now. We did that. We did this. Method show should return a template that displays all the shows in the table. We did that. Cool. So yeah. So far we did all this. In the next video, we're gonna show how to do the edit feature and update feature. Okay. Actually, in the next video, we're gonna show how to do the edit feature, and then in the video after that, we're gonna show how to do the update, and then the video after that, we're gonna show how to do destroy. Okay, cool. Cool. I'll see you in the next video.